I'm just out with you again. The vision softly creeping, left its seat while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain, soon heard the sound of silence. In restless streets I walk alone, down the streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of the freezing land. I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light, the second night, and just the sound of silence. And in the naked light of song, 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never said, but no one disturb the sound of silence. It was like silence like the first rule. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arm that I might reach you. But my word like silent raindrop fell. You let go even well. People bow and pray to join me unknowingly, and the silence out its warning, and the words that he was wanting, and the signs and the words that the prophets are written on the subway wall. The gentleman whispered in the sound of silence.
Gorgeous. Very nice, ladies.